Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So today we will be learning most important topic in G-Sheet, which is data cleaning. So G-Sheet is a useful tool for data cleanup and it provides you varied options. Like you can either split data, remove duplicate, trim spaces or even remove empty rows. So here each and every option we will be learning through a problem statement. So here first problem statement is you have to split the full name into first name and last name, and that too on the basis of delimiter space. So how can you do that? So first you have to choose the range, then you have to go to data option, then in data split text to column option you have to click, then detect automatically. Here the delimiter is space, so you have to choose that, right? Then if you choose that, so full name is split it into the first name and the last name. So this is how you can leverage split text to column option. Then we will jump to second problem. So here you have to remove the duplicates and you have to fetch the distinct entries. So there can be two cases, like either you can remove the duplicate on the basis of single column or you can remove the duplicate on the basis of combination of column. Suppose we have to remove the duplicate on the basis of the column student. So how can we remove that? So we have to choose this range, then data, then in the data there is an option of data cleanup, then remove duplicates, right? Now we have to choose the columns. So here it is a single column only. So I have checked both the options like select all as well as column E. Now we will be clicking on remove duplicates and OK. Now you can see that the duplicates are removed and we can get the distinct entries of student. Now I have to show you the second case also. So I am doing Control Z and now I am choosing both the columns basically, and we want to remove the duplicate on the basis of student course combination. So how can we do that? So again data, then data cleanup and remove duplicate. Now columns to analyze, so I have checked marked all because I want to show you how remove duplicates option work with the combination of columns. Now I'm clicking on this and OK. Now you can see that in the student you can see two entries of Rohan, but actually like why there are two entries, because Rohan math and Rohan English are treated differently. So on the basis of combination they are distinct entries, although for the student column they can be a single entry. So that is why whenever you are removing the duplicate on the basis of single column, then there is only one entry. Whenever you are deleting the duplicate on the basis of combination of column, then you are getting the like student entry on the basis of combination. Rohan English and Rohan math are treated differently. So I hope till now everything is clear. Now we will be jumping to third problem statement. So here also the problem statement is you have to remove the duplicates. So if I will be removing the duplicates, so what happened, like data and then data cleanup and then remove duplicates, then remove duplicates. Now, but if you deep dive into this, then lab 1, 2, 3 and lab 1, 2, 3 are same. So why these entries are treated as distinct? Because there is this white space in between. So you have to keep one thing in mind, like whenever you have the white space in between and you have to remove the duplicates, so you have to first trim that white space, then only the duplicate will work and you can get the actual results, right? So you have to first choose it, then data cleanup, and in this there is option of trim white space. You can click on that, then OK. Now if you will remove duplicate, then you will get the actual result. So data, then data cleanup, and then remove duplicates. So that is how you can leverage trim space and remove duplicates together. Now we will be jumping on fourth problem. So here the fourth problem statement is you are given a table, and in this table like there are two problem statement. First you have to remove empty rows, and second problem statement is give the list where one or more entries are missing. Or we can say that like you have to give all the rows where information is missing. So we will be solving this problem with the help of derive function. So derive. So I will be taking help of count A here. So equal to count A. Count A. Then I will be choosing this entire row. and enter. I got 4 because every column in this row 4 is filled. Now I will be dragging this. So why I got 0? Because no column in this row is filled. Similarly, why I am getting this count less than 4? Because one or more data in these rows are missing. So now we have to deal with this problem. So remove empty rows. So how I can remove the empty rows? So I will be taking help of filter. So I will apply filter here. And I will be choosing 0 to select all the rows where information is absent or the entire row is empty. Now I can delete it. Now I will be removing this filter. Now the second problem statement is you have to give the list where one or more entries are missing. So how can you do that? So we have to choose all the rows wherever this count A is less than 4. So I am again applying the filter. Now I am choosing all the entries wherever the count is less than 4. So I can use filter by condition. And in filter by condition, there is an option of like less than, and here less than what? 4. So I can give that value and then I can just apply the filter. Now I can choose all these rows and I can copy paste into separate sheet. Basically, this is the data where one or more information is missing. Now we can delete this column. Now we can remove this filter as well. I hope you got everything. Thank you.